Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go! Convergence problems are fast using the P-series rule. We will find the range for P in 3 quick steps. First, look at the denominator of our series. The exponent on n is 4p minus 1. We need to isolate this entire expression to apply our standard convergence test correctly. Recall that a P-series converges only when the exponent is strictly greater than 1, so we must set our specific exponent 4p minus 1 to be greater than 1 now. Add 1 to both sides so 4p is greater than 2. Dividing by 4 shows p is greater than 1/2. That is option C. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Watch signs, trust given info, and check your steps carefully.